I want to welcome you to 5908 Southwest 61st Avenue in South Miami, Florida. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located just steps away from the University of Miami. Come inside and let's take a look. So the feel of this home is really cozy. You have on the right side a laundry room which has 2 brand new washer and dryer. In addition to that, you have half of a garage that's separated for storage. As you walk inside to the left, you're gonna find a nice office space. This is great for your Zoom meetings or if you work from home. As we pass by, you'll see the dining area, and the 2 bedrooms are off on this side to the left. This is the first bedroom, which is very spacious. As you can see, it has 2 beds, and also you have your closet. The shared bathroom is beautifully decorated with subway tiles, and all the fixtures have been modified and changed. This is bedroom number 2. As you see, bedroom number 2 is also spacious, and you have a walk-in closet. The floor has wood floors throughout. They've all been refinished. And the great thing is that you have separate bedrooms from the master. The master bedroom is off to the right, and it has its own full bathroom with a walk-through closet. Everything here has been updated, as well as the plumbing and electrical. As we walk out here to the kitchen, this part really flows nicely. It has all updated cabinet space, marble tops, and it's conveniently located next to the living area. You have plenty of sitting space and a fireplace as well. Let's take a look at the backyard. The backyard has plenty of space for a boat